How to remove your WhatsApp account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove your WhatsApp account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you have your primary WhatsApp account here, but then you believe that your WhatsApp account is also logged in on other devices. So first of all, open WhatsApp on your primary device. Then from the bottom right, you will find the settings menu. Just go to the settings option, depending upon if you're using iOS or Android. From here, what you have to do is just go to the option here known as linked devices and then tap on it. And once you go to linked devices, over here you should be able to see a list of devices that are currently logged into your WhatsApp account. So if you'd like to remove a certain device from here, you just have to select that particular device, tap the logout button, and then you'll be successfully logged out of WhatsApp from those devices. This way you can remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.